Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and we are in Craighead, Manchester. We are heading to see Mr. Mullins. It has been a while since we have gone to see him, so we are going to check on him today, and we are also bringing him some groceries. And for that we have to say thanks to YJ for always supporting, and also to 2 anonymous donors who would have sent us barrels, and as such we are able to do some food distribution and clothes as well. But for Mr. Mullins today it's just food. So thank you guys, thank you so much. Always appreciative of your gesture, because without you, like I always say, we are not able to do the work that we do. So we're thanking God for that. All right, so we are just walking to see him now, and please do remember to always like, share and to subscribe to the channel, so once you post a new video you will be notified. All right. And luckily for us today, the time is nice and dry, so don't have to deal with any mud today to go down into the truck, although it's not usually that bad. Oh, wow. Okay, so I see Mr. Mullins' door open, sitting right there looking out as if he's expecting us. Oh Lord, actually no, must be wondering who these people coming down. Mr. Mullins? Sugar here. What you do? Do nothing. I cool out. Oh wow. Look at that tree, I give thanks. Yeah? Yes, sir, Papa. Midday, I look for sugar head. I look for sugar head. Sugar head get rolled up. Yeah, oh Lord. What you saying? Hard work, greed, you know. Hard work. That's a blessing, man. They know that. Miss busy, I'm Miss busy. Busy tea. So what going today? Sit down. Just sit down and look. Sit down and look. Oh. I have nothing to go and come and I have to look. You have to just sit down and look. And I no money. Around the time I can't go out when me like me I go to church. Oh, somebody come and pick you up? Oh, that's all. Okay. I keep look at us. But me wait with you. The wheelchair can go out to yard so. Oh, somebody push it out? Me. Are you push it out? No, myself. Oh yeah. Sit down and push it out myself. So you don't have no little challenge when you go up the little bumpy part there? Like a place so. It give me the problem. Right there where the stones are. They say, me a big little man for you. But the man them hungry pay to promise. Yeah, oh you ask him all but you not get through. No, sir. Oh, so who you ask? Jai. Oh, no, how that is. Okay, okay. Jai baby could be such a. Oh, okay. You know, from before Peter did. And Peter come here and then parents came and control this. No get it. I know. Oh Lord. Yeah. Sometimes me da go along out there so. Every day fix up. But when me no fix up, me want to sit down and no look out. So nobody, your friends them not come visit you? And give you that thanks. Yes, absolutely. Sometimes 1 and 2 of them will stop by. They may come in, but they're not enough no time. Oh, okay. They're busy man, so they can only stop by a short time.
check on you, make sure you're alright.
The most time I have when I go to church.
Okay. Yeah, but apart from that, you're just here alone.
Yes, sir. Sometimes me always go out at the house where you see back up there.
Okay. I'll go and look out.
Well, I'm going to tell me turn back, but I can give me the problem.
Oh, so you have food though? You have food?
Food. You know, so everything's out of me, you know.
Oh, you're lower?
I want to my cousin, when I'm in nephew. Go and dig yam for myself, I go carry yam.
Okay. Alright, so we carry some stuff for you, some grocery items, so you know you have some tin foods in there and so on.
Bless you.
Yes, and there's a bottle of coffee, come in know you love coffee.
Oh my God.
So we have some donors, and as usual, you know, they are looking out for us, and so they sent us 2 barrels. And we're able to pack some things from it for you.
Yeah, man.
And there's another donor that we have who we refer to as YJ, and she would have contributed as well. So just leaving it with this. And you eat bun, right?
Bun?
Yes.
Me give bun, so me must eat bun.
Oh Lord. So alright, bun in there for you. You have bun and cheese as well. You hear?
Me give bun, so me must eat bun.
Alright, so I'm going to put it.
Yeah,
just rest it on the chair.
Yes, man.
And you have milk in there for mix your coffee.
You see, you make your banana, you plant me right back.
Oh gosh, I couldn't get to come for it. Couldn't get to come for it a long time. Yeah. So why you make it spoil when you never eat it?
Me could eat it all I eat.
Oh, you share it up?
I want the banana, I want to do the place up.
It ripe?
And TV.
Oh
no. One didn't know when me say,
oh Lord.
And you could have come right there, you know.
Drive right in, don't?
And it's okay, I come.
It's a good thing we never came in, because when we stopped and parked, there was a van that was exiting, so we'd have probably block him and have to move. Yeah. So you know, when I stay long with you though, we just drop off some things and then we'll go ahead to the Christiana area.
Yeah, cut the banana.
Oh, you want to cut it? Alright, we're going to cut it. We're going to cut the banana.
You're gone. You name the penny.
Oh, me name the penny? So me have to take it then.
Take it then?
Me have to take it then, no man? You say my name is Annie.
No, you take it. I say your name now, take it then.
Oh my God. Alright, Mr. Mullins, we'll go end the video and we'll go cut the banana.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Alright guys, so this is it. You've seen Mr. Mullins, and we just, like we say, it's just a quick stop to drop off some grocery with him. And it's a good thing we came, because he's saying now that he's low. So thanks be to God. So as usual, thanks to our donors. Big up yourselves. You know who you are. You'd have sent us the barrels, and as a result of that, we're able to do the work that we're doing now. Big up YJ. Thank you so much for always making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, and bye bye. Yes, we see it, Mr. Mullins.
Yeah?
Yeah, we see it.
Okay. Don't left it there.
Yeah, well, I'm seeing one. Yeah. He was asking how many we see.
1, 2 young ones today.
Oh, okay.
That's 3 bunches.
3 bunches. Mr. Mullins, 2 more are going to leave round here.
Yeah, man, you cut the biggest one.
Okay.
Cut the one already.
All right. You must mean it, doll. It's sharp for true? It's sharp? Uh-oh. Oh, so it in. Let me move. It's a big banana though.
Broke.
Yeah.
You see, it's gone already.
Yeah.
I'm telling somebody say no. Happy somebody.
Oh, okay, okay.
Somebody we name now. Somebody we name.
You know what somebody name me. Name.